Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
You want to take that first?
No, I'm going to take that
This one.
Once I get that one in.
Yeah, cheers mate. If you want, I can move the curtain onto the other side, if it's a lot easier for you.
Should be alright.
Yeah?
Set this top one off first, then,
Yeah, okay mate. Yeah, not too far away because there's something in the back of that as well. Yes, too. I'll give you the skids as well if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a sec. Yeah. Probably. With this one, probably I just have to move the lorry. Yeah. It's not impossible. Noise. The jacket is crushed. I can't open it, mate. It's too fucking. Come on! Rubbish! Come on. It's not opening. Probably I just have to cut it. That's the only way. You just have to cut it, mate. It's fucked. Finally. Rubbish. They need to put some WD-40 on it, right? This cricket is rubbish. The other ones are okay, but that one is rubbish. Look, this one is brand new. Look. A lot easier, no? So nothing is damaged, as you see. Everything is protected until now. Just gonna jump out. 1 second, eh? Jump out. Make a lot easier for you. Okay. And then is one more on the other side.
Yeah.
Probably I just need to move it around, huh? You won't be able to reach it from here.
Probably not.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Just drag it a little bit more. Like so. Yeah. Yeah, I'll put them skids on top, yeah?
Yep.
Nice one. Bucharest. Salut, frate! Te-ai rătăcit?
Frate, nu, trebuie să descarci bine că ești român, trebuie
Da.
să descarci, sunt cu sticle, cu
Așa,
sticle.
unde trebuie
uite
să
aici.
ajungi?
Patterson ăsta, United Atlas
Hai să
House.
căutăm pe Google Maps, să vedem unde.
Păi mi-a arătat ceva pe stânga
Da,
dreapta.
așa că... Da, hai, rugă. Hai că nu stai liniștit, că nu te deranjează nimeni. Stai un pic să căutăm. Ia, dă-mi ăla să văd exact
Să
cum.
nu ne plouă, că îmi plouă la business.
Bagă-te sub prelat asta. Că și eu, e a doua oară când vin aici. Că și eu am avut problemă prima oară cu...
Patterson's Glass
Nu,
LTD.
știi care? Unde e? Adres de
Asta,
livrare.
De livrare, da.
Atlas House.
Atlas House, 25 Atlas House. Și aici m-ar băga.
What? Uite ce ecranul
Atlas
ăsta.
House.
Uite ce ecranul ăsta. Are drești pe el. S-a prins un pic, da.
De unde ești?
În Ploiești.
Eu de la Vâlcea.
Oh, aproape.
Da.
Vecin de cartiere.
Da.
Atlas House.
House.
Nu-mi dă, ia.
25.
Ia, ce mai zice? Atlas?
25.
Nu mi-a dat. Dă-mi ăla și scrie Patterson.
Patterson, da, Patterson. Glass LTD.
Patterson Glass LTD.
Văd că leacă
Ce ai,
ceva
geamuri?
de Glass. Nu, sticle.
Patterson.
Glass LTD.
Uite, stai așa să vedem.
25, trebuie să ai
Noi
25.
suntem- Deci mă
Asta
arată
este.
pe strada asta. Știi
Da.
care e?
Care, frate?
E în spate. Fii atent, știi cum e strada asta? Că am fost eu odată. Da. Dacă nu poți să întorci, poți să te duci roată.
Așa și este acolo?
Poți să te duci roată, că e cerc. Uite, vezi cum vine? Vine așa cerc.
Așa.
Și trebuie să fie când te întorci. Cred că pe unde e containerul ăla pe acolo.
În regulă, Doamne ajută.
Nici o problemă, Doamne ajută. Sănătate, ceau. Big chunky load. When I seen it in the morning, I said, what the fuck?
It was not in one place.
Yeah. Well, as soon as they told me like Greensby, I say, yeah. Because I love it. It's a long drive. I love it.
Yeah.
Should be alright. Do you know which one is Patterson Glass? Which company? That one with the green container, no?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Because yeah, one of the drivers just asked me where it is. I just look on the Google Maps. I was not sure.
Yeah, it's just there.
Yeah. Nice one. Yeah. Don't worry about the traffic, I'll stop it for you. And then I will try to park it on here. It will be okay to park it on here. Yeah, no problem. Happy days. Nice. Those kids are not excellent, but better than nothing. Freezing, huh?
Yeah.
I'll just park the vehicle there, and after that I'll come for signature, yeah?
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it there. Because here people might want to pass. Actually, you know what? I'll just go there, reverse it, and come back. Come on. Wow, the lorry feels much lighter. Let's turn around here. As you see, the curtain is okay. It's not going anywhere. It's just them clips on the side. I will just do them now. gonna do the curtain first, and when he will come, I'll do the paper. Just to give you the copy. I think usually
Yeah,
we
I've
keep the
already
pink ones, no? Or you keep the pink one?
Normally we keep the pink ones.
Oh, it doesn't matter. As long as you sign and you're happy,
Yeah, it's fine.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Have a nice day, mate. See you. Take care.